Welcome to this video presentation here at 7daysonly.co.uk, and here we have the Audi A4. It's on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you all the way around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, firstly, you can see that it is a four-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to work our way around the passenger side next. Okay, so now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it is in fantastic condition the whole way round. We'll hop in and run through some controls. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the coordinate temperature gauge, then the rev counter. Over on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, at the bottom, firstly, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 94,027. In the centre of that bottom section, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. And above that, we have our main trip computer information. We've also got a digital readout for the speedometer and other menus available back around to the beginning. Again, all accessed via the buttons just here. We have our phone and stereo controls. Behind the steering wheel, the plus and minus paddles to change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center, the main screen for the car. So firstly, you can see on screen now, you can pair up an Audi smartphone to project certain Audi friendly apps up onto this screen. The movement I'm making on the screen is being done using this dial predominantly. You can use the buttons that surround it, and the buttons to the left and right represent the left and right hand sides of the screen. You can, as I say, use the dial, or we are now in our radio menu. Main volume for the stereo, just there by the gear lever. We'll come back to that in just a moment. So we're on the radio menu. You can see we have DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you do so under the media heading. We have a CD player, SD memory card, USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth audio input as well. You can make adjustments to your bass, balance, treble, fader, your car settings. So the way in which the car drives, you can alter that from here as well. You can, of course, pair up your phone. We have satellite navigation with a really nice, clear color display, which you can see on screen now. Below that, we have the controls for our 3-zone climate control. So rear temperature, passenger temperature, driver temperature, all adjustable, and you can see the adjustments on the screen just there. Fan speed up and down. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed. Air conditioning's on. You can turn its eco off, back on, of course, or hit auto. The car will then take full control of the direction of the air and the fan speed to maintain this temperature for me, the driver. As things stand, you can do the same thing over on the passenger side, and at any time you can override that and put it back on your own settings just here as well. We have a heated driver's seat with 3 heat settings, same for the passenger side as well. You can change the driving setup here, or using the screen which I showed you a moment ago. We can turn off the stop and start, the traction control, the parking sensors, and you can turn off the main screen. We have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders, the start and stop button for the engine. The controls went through just a moment ago. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, and as I mentioned, the volume for your stereo. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at 7daysonly.co.uk. We'd love to hear from you soon.